Hi everyone, I am Bihan Chakraborty and today I'll be discussing LeetCode's 869 problem, that is reordered power of 2. So this is a very easy problem though it's marked medium. In this question we have been given an integer n and we have to say whether it's a power of 2, but there's a twist. It cannot be like a power of 2 directly, but if we rearrange the digits then we have to tell whether it's a power of 2. Suppose I consider the number 215. Let me zoom in a bit. Yeah. So if the number is 215, this is definitely not a power of 2. But if we rearrange its digits, it becomes 512, right? And 512 is a power of 2. So 512, as you can see, so any permutation of this number, if that results in power of 2, then it is true. We have to return true, else it's false. Now there's another condition that while we create a permutation, the leading digit should not be 0. Okay, so take this example 1 0. Now we can arrange 1 0 as 0 1 and 0 1 means 1 and 1 is definitely a power of 2, 2 to the power 0 equals to 1, but this is not allowed. We cannot rearrange the digits in this way such that the leading digit is 0. So this is not possible. If there were any other permutation that was that didn't have a 0 in front, then it would have been possible, but this is not possible because this is the only permutation possible. 1 0 and 0 1, these are the only two possible permutations and definitely none of them are power of 2, so it's false. So how would you approach it? Like how would you handle the permutation? You first of all, maybe you are thinking that like we have to handle like create a hash map and then track the digits count, but we don't know need to go that far. What we can do is let me open here. Yeah, just see the first list. Okay, this list, these are all powers of 2, right, up till here. So I haven't written any more digits here, so this is the whole list, and in the next list all I have done is sort the numbers. So these are the same. 16, check this one, 32 I have sorted the digits, so it has become 23. 64 I have rearranged to make it 46. Then 120 is same. 512 has become 125. Okay, so after we have this whole sorted list of powers of 2's, what we can do is take n. Suppose my n is 215. Okay, so now we will sort these digits as well. So it becomes 125. Now we will check whether 125 is present in this second list. And yes, it is present. So we will return true. If it weren't present, we would return false. Now this also takes care of the leading 0 condition. Suppose it is 10. If we sort it, it becomes 0 1. Now we will check if 0 1 is present here. And as you can see, 1 is present, but 0 1 is not present. And we are using like keeping this as strings. These are not numbers here, these are strings. So if this is a string, definitely 1 is not equals to 0 1 as a string, so this will return false. Okay, so let's like check another condition. uh, Not condition, let's check another number. Let's consider 216. So if we sort it, it becomes 126. 126 is not present here, so it will return false. Okay, so let's see the implementation here. Now what you can do is like keep an array of all the 2 to the powers numbers, but that would take some space. So what I have done is create a loop from 0 to 32 31 actually. So in each we will go from 0 to 31. Okay, and in each one we are doing temp equals to 1 left shift I. So here this step returns us 2 to the power I. Okay, so if you don't know about this, you can also write power of 2 comma I. You can do this as well, but I've done this using bitwise operators. So 2 to the power I, that is initially it will give us 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1 until 2 to the power 31, and this is the integer limit. If we go further, it will be out of bounds. As you can see the constraints, this matches. So after we have a power of 2 here, we are converting it to string and then we are sorting that. Okay, now we are checking if our current number n, we convert the number to string, then sort it, and then we are checking if that number equals to our sorted to power of 2, and if it is true then we return true, else we return false, and we check this for all the powers of 2's in integer range, and if any one of them is true we return and directly go out of this whole function, and if the loop completes that means none of them matched, so we return false. Yeah, so this is the problem. And yeah, one thing I forgot, that we are sorting the number initially at the start, as you can see here. Okay, and this is a character array, in case you are wondering why I have again like converted into a string, because this is a character array. We can like sort a character array here, not a string. So I converted the number to a string, to then in turn I converted it to an character array, then I sorted it, and here I'm just like making it a string from character array, then checking if it equals to new string p. And another thing to note is that I can't write here, like I couldn't write string of c equals to new. This shouldn't be written, because this will always return false, because these are two different objects and their object references would be checked, and that would definitely return false. So we need to use the dot equals function here. So if you have any doubts or queries, please comment down below. I'll be glad to answer all of them. And if you have liked my video, please like and subscribe. And as usual, see you in the next video.